Telling time. Press the space bar. This is a clock. A clock has 12 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A clock has two hands that count the hours and the minutes. The long hand points to the minutes. The short hand points to the hours. The clock's hands move clockwise. The clock works day and night. It keeps track of time. Let's count minutes. 1 minute passed. 2 minutes passed. 3 minutes passed. 4 minutes passed. 5 minutes passed. 6 minutes passed. 7 minutes passed. 8 minutes passed. 9 minutes passed. 10 minutes passed. 11 minutes passed. 12 minutes passed. 13 minutes passed. 14 minutes passed. 15 minutes passed. 16 minutes passed. 17 minutes passed. 18 minutes passed. 19 minutes passed. 20 minutes passed. 21 minutes passed. 22 minutes passed. 23 minutes passed. 24 minutes passed. 25 minutes passed. 26 minutes passed. 27 minutes passed. 28 minutes passed. 29 minutes passed. 30 minutes passed. 31 minutes passed. 32 minutes passed. 33 minutes passed. 34 minutes passed. 35 minutes passed. 36 minutes passed. 37 minutes passed. 38 minutes passed. 39 minutes passed. 40 minutes passed. 41 minutes passed. 42 minutes passed. 43 minutes passed. 44 minutes passed. 45 minutes passed. 46 minutes passed. 47 minutes passed. 48 minutes passed. 49 minutes passed. 50 minutes passed. 51 minutes passed. 52 minutes passed. 53 minutes passed. 54 minutes passed. 55 minutes passed. 56 minutes passed. 57 minutes passed. 58 minutes passed. 59 minutes passed. 60 minutes passed. There are 5 minutes between each number. 5 after, 10 after, 15 after, 20 after, 25 after, 30 after, 35 after, 40 after, 45 after, 50 after, 55 after. The shorthand points to the hour. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, 11 hours, 12 hours. When the long hand points to the 12, it's o'clock. When we put the hour hand and the o'clock together, here is what we get. 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Let's count the minutes in 1 hour. 12 o'clock, 12:01, 12:02, 12:03, 12:04, 12:05, 12:06, 12:07, 12:08, 12:09, 12:10, 12:11, 12:12, 12:13, 12:14, 12:15, 12:16, 12:17, 12:18, 12:19, 12:20, 12:21, 12:22, 12:23, 12:24, 12:25, 12:26, 12:27, 12:28, 12:29, 12:30, 12:31, 12:32, 12:33, 12:34, 12:35, 12:36, 12:37, 12:38, 12:39, 12:40, 12:41, 12:42, 12:43, 12:44, 12:45, 12:46, 12:47, 12:48, 12:49, 12:50, 12:51, 12:52, 12:53, 12:54, 12:55, 12:56, 12:57, 12:58, 12:59, 1 o'clock. The minute hand shows us how many minutes have passed. When the minute hand points to the number 6, it is half past the hour. It's 30 minutes after. Half past 12 or 12:30. Half past 1 or 1:30. Half past 2 or 2:30. Half past 3 or 3:30. Half past 4 or 4:30. Half past 5 or 5:30. Half past 6 or 6:30. Half past 7 or 7:30. Half past 8 or 8:30. Half past 9 or 9:30. Half past 10 or 10:30. Half past 11 or 11:30. Half past 12 or 12:30. The minute hand shows us how many minutes have passed. When the minute hand points to the 3, it is quarter past the hour. It's 15 minutes after. Quarter past 12 or 12:15. Quarter past 1 or 1:15. Quarter past 2 or 2:15. Quarter past 3 or 3:15. Quarter past 4 or 4:15. Quarter past 5 or 5:15. Quarter past 6 or 6:15. Quarter past 7 or 7:15. Quarter past 8 or 8:15. Quarter past 9 or 9:15. Quarter past 10 or 10:15. Quarter past 11 or 11:15. Quarter past 12 or 12:15. The minute hand shows us how many minutes have passed. When the minute hand points to the 9, it is quarter to the hour. It's 15 minutes to. Quarter to 12 or 11:45. Quarter to 1 or 12:45. Quarter to 2 or 1:45. Quarter to 3 or 2:45. Quarter to 4 or 3:45. Quarter to 5 or 4:45. Quarter to 6 or 5:45. Quarter to 7 or 6:45. Quarter to 8 or 7:45. Quarter to 9 or 8:45. Quarter to 10 or 9:45. Quarter to 11 or 10:45. Quarter to 12 or 11:45. Digital clock. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock,